Hi friends, now we are learning shortcut method for the f of d into y is equal to q of x form, where q of x is equal to a to the power of x, where q of x is a to the power of x. In general, particular integral, how we will find out for f of d into y is equal to q of x, if we have, then ypi is equal to, we will say 1 by f of d into q of x, 1 by f of d into, what is the q of x? They are given a to the power of x. In previously, we know that shortcut method for constant function, whenever constant is there and whenever e power ax form is there, and sin ax or cos ax, these all are we are discussed. Now we are discussing shortcut method for q of x is equal to a to the power of x. How we will, here in place of d or d square, what we have to replace? For that, what we have to do means, you see, find out the derivative of q of x. What is the derivative of q of x here? Derivative of a to the power of x. What is the a power x derivative? A power x into log a. So by the observation, what you can say, a power x is same here. So what is the a power x quotient? D. Here a power x quotient is log a. So we have to replace d is equal to log a. Then we will have the particular integral is 1 by f of log a into a to the power of x. For example, generally I will write again this formula, 1 by f of d into a to the power of x if you have, then f of log a into a to the power of x, a to the power of x. This is the shortcut method. For example, if you have 2 power x, what we will write? 1 by f of 2 log 2 into 2 power x. One problem we are going to solve. Given problem is solve d square plus 3 into y is equal to 3 to the power of x, they are given. So in this case, first this is in the form of f of d into y is equal to q of x. So what is the general solution for this? We have y of x is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Now we are finding the complementary function. To find the complementary function, we have to take q of x, we have to treat q of x as a 0. Then we have to consider y is equal to e power mx be a solution of f of d into y is equal to 0. Then you see, we will have the given differential equation is d square plus 3 into y. What is y? E to the power of mx is equal to 0. Now if you are differentiated e power mx, how many times? Twice. Then you will have first term derivative m into e power mx, second term derivative m square into e power mx plus 3 into e to the power of mx is equal to 0. So e power mx is a common term from the above expression, then m square plus 3 is equal to 0. We know that product of two functions are whenever 0, any one of them is 0 or both will be 0. So in this case, e power mx is never 0. So what you can say, m square plus 3 is equal to 0. So m square is equal to minus 3. M is equal to plus or minus root 3i. Root 3i. So here you have a root, moreover I is there. So you can consider the complementary function y of x as CF here. YCF is C1 cos h root 3x plus C2 sin h root 3x. This is the complementary function. Now particular integral. How to find the particular integral for f of d into y is equal to q of x means, keep y is the left side, then you will have a y particular integral. Integral is nothing but antiderivative. So this f of d will come right side. Then in this case, fraction 1 by f of d you are getting. 1 by f of d into q of x. This is the method to find the particular integral. Now what they are given, f of d, 1 by f of d they are given d square plus 3. And what is the q of x? 3 to the power of x. Okay, now we have to simplify this. This is in the form of 1 by f of d into a to the power of x form. Then what we will do in this case, in place of d we will replace log a. So 1 by f of log a into a to the power of x. This is the shortcut method. Yes or no? Now in this case, what I can write? 1 by log a. What is a here? 3. Log 3 whole square plus 3 into 3 to the power of x. This is the particular integral. Now the general solution of given y of x is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. This is the final solution. Is it clear for everyone? So can you solve another problem? Suppose if I given that
d square minus 4 into y is equal to 7 to the power of x. So this is also similar to the previous problem. Try to solve this problem. Thank you for watching this video.